my skin locker. My name is Ira and today's video is a really exciting one because I'll be talking to you about one of the subscription boxes that I'm subscribed to, and this time for the month of June they really outdid themselves and I'm so very happy with the box this time around. So without any delays, let's get going with the business. So the box that I'm talking about is this Laurel in Reed box. It comes like in this beautiful white box with ribbons tied all around, but we are not talking about decorations here. It's the product that really have got me excited for this particular box right here. So the brand that they have featured this time around is this Okoko cosmetique, and I'm like really happy to have them. I got this box yesterday, I won't lie, I got this box yesterday and I've tried two of their products like twice since then. Just to give you a brief, this is a monthly subscription box and you get 3 full-size products in your boxes every month. This time they have featured just one brand, but it's generally a mix of brands that you get. So all the details and everything, the prices and all would be in the description box below, so you kindly go and check that out if you are interested. But it is the products that I'm super thrilled about this time around. So I'll start off with the first product here, which is this beautiful 3-in-1 product, you can say. It's a cleanser, mask and exfoliator. The packaging itself is so very beautiful. Just look at the vibrant packaging here, and wait till I show you the color and the texture of the product. The cleanser comes with this beautiful spatula here, and this, they say, it's a multi-purpose cleanser, exfoliator and mask, and it has gel to milk formula. So let's just have a look. Have a look here, guys. Just have a look right here. Like, can you see? If you look at the texture, it has this very beautiful bouncy texture to it. The scent here is not floral, neither it is too herbal. It has this very subtle sweet bubblegum kind of scent, which I do not mind at all. It's rather very pleasing. So before I tell you about my experience and how I used this product, let me just go through what they have to say about this particular product here. So they say that it's a multi-purpose cleanser that can also double up as a powerful exfoliator, and it has both physical and chemical exfoliating properties right here. The gel to milk formula is supercharged with pumpkin and bamboo powder, salicylic acid and papaya to deliver gentle yet effective exfoliation, and I can vouch for that. When I applied it as my face mask, and when I washed this product off, it left my skin feeling so incredibly smooth and visibly brighter and radiant. Like it was as if it has kind of taken off that layer of dullness from my face, and that was something really brilliant about it, and that got me so excited to tell you guys about this particular brand that they are featuring at such an exceptional price. It says that it can gently remove melt away makeup. I won't dare to use this product as my makeup remover, because this stuff here is freaking $114 on its own. So no makeup remover from this one. I'll definitely be sticking to using it as my exfoliator for those days when my skin is really feeling very dull and lackluster, because I really did notice that very soft, smooth and visibly brighter looking skin with just one use of this product, which is simply mind-boggling. Now next, they have laid out few instructions on how you are supposed to use it as your cleanser or mask and whatever it be. I use this product as my exfoliator, like I just told you last night, and boy, it did work. So what I did was, like, I scooped out a little product, applied it onto my dry skin, massaged it well. This creamy formula turns itself into this very luxurious feeling oil when you massage it, and the bamboo powder here gives your skin that physical exfoliation, very gentle physical exfoliation. The the physical exfoliation that you get from this is equivalent to if you have used the Shankra's micro exfoliant. That is the kind of gentle physical exfoliation that I like on my skin, and this gives me just that. I massage my skin for good like 3-4 minutes with this product, and then I just left it on my skin as it is. They say you can use it as your face mask for about from 10 to anywhere between 45 minutes. I left it on for good 1 hour, and when I washed my face felt incredibly smooth, like baby's butt, and I'm not even kidding. There was no trace of any oiliness, or there was no traces of any kind of residue on my skin. My skin felt so very refreshed and soft, like I'm saying again and again, and it felt so very clean. Like I just can't tell you, it is that beautiful. This is one of my very favorite products from the Laurel and Reed boxes this year. Beautiful stuff. Just look at it. Have a look here, guys. Just so beautiful. It's brilliant. And the moment you start rubbing it onto your skin, it feels so nice. I really do have a very slight warming sensation on my skin, which I'm really enjoying as of right now, and I really enjoyed when I used it last night. I love it. So can you see it transformed itself into this beautiful oil? And that's it. I left it on like this on my skin for a good 1 hour, like I just told you, and after that my skin was thanking me. Moving on, here is the next product in the box, and it is their Dragon Blood Serum. This is the second product that I tried last night and today in the morning. This serum, like before I tell you, let me just read out what they say about it. It protects the skin against environmental stresses, visibly corrects the sign of aging, and promotes radiance. Powered by high-performance, evidence-based botanical extracts, this luxury age-defying serum offers an all-in-one multi-targeted solution that addresses dullness, dryness, and appearance of wrinkles and hyperpigmentation, as well as environmental stressors in fast-absorbing velvety formula. Getting back onto this beauty here, like I just told you, I've already used this serum twice since yesterday, and I am absolutely loving it. They say it has a velvety formula. I agree to it. Now, before using it, you need to shake this bottle up and then go about using it. It has this beautiful, very concentrated gel-like formula. Can you see how it's just slowly dripping down? It's really concentrated, and the scent again here is beautiful. It's beautiful. It's very relaxing, very spa-like, and the moment you start rubbing this serum into your skin, you definitely feel that substance in this texture. It's not like one of those very watery serums that the moment you lay your hand on it and give a couple of swipes, your skin just kind of absorbs. It definitely has some substance to it. The scent, I'm saying again and again, is very spa-like. It's almost therapeutic for my personal preference. I really do enjoy the scent. This product kind of gives you that tacky feel in the beginning, but it's not something that stays like this forever. All you need to do is give this product few gentle taps after, you know, rubbing it onto your skin. Give it a few gentle taps and your skin would soak this thing in, and you will be left with an incredibly soft, smooth to touch skin. And I'm not even kidding. It feels so very soft, velvety, and, you know, beautifully hydrated and nourished, and yet not sticky or, you know, heavy on your skin. It's like pure gem. This is a product that is like one stop for oily skin people, in my opinion. Like, I have oily combination skin, and this hydrates my skin beautifully. Like, I did not feel the need to, you know, layer multiple skincare products on top of it. Obviously, I cannot vouch for its effect on wrinkles or hyperpigmentation with just 2 uses, but for anyone who has, you know, dehydrated skin, dry skin, oily skin, any skin, in my opinion, you'll love it. I'll definitely keep you posted once I get to, you know, use them for a lot more. But if you are looking out for a good skincare for yourself, treat yourself to this box. It's beautifully, like, it's brilliant. The third and the last product in the box here is this age defying cream. This product here has this beautiful antioxidant rich formula that is brilliant for reducing signs of aging, hydrating thirsty skin, renewing luminosity, and preventing moisture loss. This sophisticated formula is infused with diamond extract and designed to achieve intensive nourishment that leaves the skin feeling supple and refreshed. This is like definitely one of the powerhouse performers in this box, but I would like to leave it alone for some time because of green formulas in my collection right now that need my attention. But this is the product that I'll definitely get back to you because I'm really intrigued by what's inside in here. So as of now, all I can say is that even if that thing is not in this box and you are getting just these 2, it's still a box worth trying out, in my opinion. Give yourself some love with these 2 beautiful gems right here, and I promise you won't be disappointed. Like, both these stuff here are like simply brilliant. And one more thing about this particular mask, before I forget, I was watching a few videos and I saw the formulator of this brand talking about this particular gel to cream, you know, cleanser, and she suggested that you scoop out some product and in a bowl, add a few drops of water, make it in a paste, and then apply on your skin as a mask, and it would stay moist all along until you just wash it off. And that's the way I would like to try it next and see if it makes any kind of difference. But the way I used it, it worked beautifully well for me. So that's something that I learned about this particular product here and wanted to share. But this serum right here is super, like, and 1 pump is all you need, you know, just to cover your face and neck and all. 2 pumps, all sorted. So, and before you ask and, you know, put in your comments down below, this is the box that I have personally subscribed to. They are not sending me these boxes like they do to some big influencers. I'm spending my own money on these products, and yeah, that's the reason I just told you about this particular box, because I've been trying their boxes from quite some time now. But this as a whole, this as a, you know, entire set really intrigued me, and I'm so happy to have found this beautiful brand through them. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, queries regarding any of these products, feel free to write them down. I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a good day, and bye bye.